Boeing 787, also known as the Dreamliner. And it's a plane that Boeing says is going to change the way that we fly.
We're at Boeing's global headquarters in Seattle to watch the first 787 bound for Australia roll down the production line. Jetstar will take delivery in late September and begin flying domestic routes from November. The company has 14 of the highly anticipated new jets on order, which will fly to international destinations expected to include Honolulu, Phuket, Bali and Tokyo. The 787 has created a real buzz in the aviation industry by rethinking many long-held conventions. That includes bigger windows, a smoother and quieter ride, higher humidity and a state-of-the-art entertainment system. Meanwhile, lightweight carbon composite construction will reduce the airline's fuel bills, which should translate to lower airfares.
Well, fuel's our biggest cost, and the 787 has 20% better fuel efficiency, so that'll enable us to continue to put downward pressure on fares.
Boeing's latest model has also been making headlines for all the wrong reasons in 2013, with early examples grounded worldwide due to 2 battery fires. A recent fix returned the Dreamliner to the skies, and Jetstar is confident the issue has been resolved.
We watch it very, very closely, but we're very confident with the fix that Boeing has put in place. They put a lot of rigorous work into finding the right fix for it, testing it, demonstrating it to the FAA. The FAA have approved it. Obviously, safety is our number one priority, and we're confident with the fix they've come up with.
We also spent time at Boeing's Dreamliner gallery, which is kind of like the Bunnings warehouse of the airline world.
So you're an airline executive, you've bought yourself a 787. Now you have to decide what goes inside. Well, here in the Dreamliner gallery, you can look at different seats, you can look at locker configurations, toilets, pretty much anything you like. The lighting, the ambience, it's all taken care of. So you just come in here, move things around, see what works, and bang, you've bought it, there's your 787.
And it's not just seats either. Airlines can choose from a number of different galleys and even toilet units. And there's a chance to look at the 787's most consumer-friendly features, which include windows that darken electronically and are significantly bigger and set higher than any that Boeing has built before.
And if you're nervous or scared or bumpy, that having the horizon in your peripheral vision at all times tells you that everything's okay. It's where the horizon is supposed to be, kind of thing.
There are also massive storage bins that pivot downward, increasing cabin headroom. There's even an exact replica of the 787 cockpit, the most technologically advanced that Boeing has ever built.
So this is obviously where all the action takes place. Up the front of the plane, the pilot has a better view through larger windows, and for the first time he also has a head-up display which projects vital information up onto a piece of glass which keeps everything that he needs to know within his line of sight without taking his eyes off what's going on outside the plane.
It's a good chance ahead of the plane's arrival in September to see why Boeing believes the 787 Dreamliner is going to get people excited about flying again.